Hi everybody, Russell here. I wasn't feeling very good this morning, but I tell you, I feel a lot better now. Of course, this picture makes it look like I only have a head and little tiny feet, but that's just an optical illusion. I wasn't feeling very good this morning, and so Dad took me to see my favorite people at VCA Kent Animal Hospital. That's Dr. Valandi and Kaylee and Shalisa, and everybody there is just wonderful. I love them all. And they said I'm fine. I just didn't like the adjustment to different food. So Mom and Dad are going to put me back on the food that I liked a lot. And I got some special treat food, canned food from VCA. And my dad took a video of me pigging out on it. I hope you enjoy that.
Hey Russell, hi baby. Hey, guess what? Dr. Valandi said that you could have some more food. Russell, what is this? Oh boy, do you want some more? Huh? Do you want some more? Here we go. Come on. Oh, let's grab the spoon. Gotta grab the spoon. Yeah. Oh boy, here it is. Oh, yum yum. Look at you licking your lips. Look at you licking your lips. Whee! So this is about 1/3 of a can. And, whoa, excuse me. Yeah, let me in. Okay, yeah. Oh boy, my goodness. Look at how fast that's going down. Holy smokes. 11, 12, 13 seconds, 14, 15. Oh my goodness. Well, we better stop that for a second. Okay, so now let's see. Back it up. Okay, I know. Mr. Hungry Bear. Mr. Hungry Polar Bear. What do you think, Mick? Huh? Yeah, he's kind of a pig, isn't he? Yeah. Well, you eat pretty fast too, you know. Yes, you do. Look at that. 17 seconds, and he's almost got it all cleaned up. But luckily, it sticks to the bowl. Ha, ha, ha. Doesn't let him eat it too fast. You know, you missed a spot right there. Here. Right there. There it is. Yeah. Okay, good job.